In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add domain in Vercel. By the end, you'll have your custom domain connected to a Vercel project so visitors can reach your site at a clean, memorable address. Before we start, make sure you have a Vercel account, at least one deployed project, and a domain you own or manage through a registrar. Begin by heading to vercel.com and signing in. Once you're on your dashboard, confirm you're in the correct personal account or team space where your project lives. This helps avoid adding a domain to the wrong workspace. Look to the top right corner of the dashboard for the Add New dropdown. Click it to open Vercel's Quick Actions. From the options that appear, choose Domain. This takes you to the domain management flow, where you'll connect a name you already own. Select Add Existing Domain. This option is perfect when your domain is registered with a third-party provider and you just want Vercel to serve your site at that address. In the input field, type the domain you want to use like example.com or a subdomain such as app.example.com. Keep it simple and avoid adding extra protocols or paths, just the domain or subdomain itself. Click Continue to move forward. You'll now be asked which project this domain should point to. Pick the specific project you want users to land on when they visit your domain. If you're connecting a root domain and plan to use subdomains for other apps later, choose the main project that should handle the base address. When you're ready, click Add Domain. Vercel will link the domain to your project and, if needed, display clear guidance on verification and DNS configuration. If your domain isn't using Vercel's name servers, you may be prompted to create SNAME or A records at your registrar to prove ownership and route traffic correctly. Follow the on-screen instructions provided by Vercel. They're tailored to your exact setup and will show the specific record values you need. After adding the domain, give DNS changes a little time to propagate if you made updates externally. This can be quick, but in some cases it may take up to a few hours. You can monitor the status in your Vercel dashboard, look for a valid state, and the green check mark. Once it's valid, visit your domain in the browser to confirm your site loads as expected. That's it. You've connected an existing domain to your Vercel project, keeping everything clean, secure, and easy to manage from one place.